A 20-inch wheel has 40% less rotational inertia than a 700c road wheel, meaning a Mini Velo accelerates faster than a pro race bike, until aerodynamics take over. The Mini Velo is often mistaken for a folding bike, but the engineering goal is completely different. By eliminating the heavy central hinge, we recover the torsional stiffness lost in folders, achieving power transfer efficiency identical to a full-size diamond frame. However, you must distinguish between the two 20-inch standards, 406 and 451. The 451mm rim is the road standard with a larger diameter, essential for maintaining highway speeds, while the 406mm is the BMX standard, offering wider tire compatibility for comfort. The biggest engineering trap is gearing. Because wheel circumference is smaller, standard road chainrings result in a dangerously low top speed. To match a 700c bike at 90 revolutions per minute, you must modify your gear ratio calculation significantly. While rolling resistance is higher on small wheels due to the sharper tire curvature, the real limit is stability. Above 35 km per hour, the reduced gyroscopic effect makes the steering input incredibly sensitive, requiring more mental energy to hold a line than a standard bike. For the best ride quality, avoid aluminum frames unless they have suspension. The short spokes transfer every road vibration directly to your hands. A chromoly steel or titanium frame from brands like Tyrrell or Molten utilizes the material's natural damping to counteract the harshness of small wheels. Maximum city performance, minimum footprint, zero folding compromises.